The number of elements in A union B is equal to the number of elements in A plus the number of elements in B minus the number of elements in A intersect B. So we have to subtract the intersection because it's included in both A and B. And if you don't subtract it, then you're counting it twice. So number 1 says, set A contains 30 elements, set B contains 20 elements, and 6 elements are common to sets A and B. How many elements are in A union B? So we have to take 30 plus 20 and then subtract 6 to get 44. Number 2 says, set A contains 18 letters, set B contains 9 letters, and 5 letters are common to sets A and B. How many letters are in A union B? So we want to take 18 plus 9 minus 5 to get 22.